Have you ever felt that that relentless pressure to build an online presence, maybe on Instagram or TikTok, but you just keep hitting a wall?
Yeah, it happens to so many people.
It might be, the thought of constantly being on camera, or just the sheer exhaustion of the content treadmill, or even the cost, right? Editors, tools. It can feel overwhelming.
Definitely.
Well, today we're doing a deep dive into ViralReelAI. It's this tool that, well, it claims to completely disrupt that whole cycle.
Right. It's pitched as an AI-powered solution.
Exactly. Promising to help creators, businesses too, build that online footprint without ever showing their face, and automating content in ways that sound honestly remarkably efficient.
And that's our mission for this deep dive, really, to unpack what ViralReelAI actually brings to the table.
Okay.
We want to explore how it aims to solve those persistent challenges, content creation, audience growth, and crucially, figure out if it genuinely delivers on that promise. Making viral content and monetization accessible without all the usual hurdles.
So we're sticking just to the features and benefits highlighted in the materials we looked at.
Exactly. Focusing squarely on what the platform itself claims.
Okay, sounds good. Let's start by looking at the old way. That manual grind many of us know all too well.
Right.
Like, picture this. You're writing scripts, setting up the gear, recording, maybe doing countless takes.
Oh yeah, the takes.
Then hours and hours editing clips and finally manually posting everywhere, day in, day out. It's just exhausting. Leads straight to burnout or hitting that creative wall.
It really does. And it's more than just the effort too. When you look at the traditional costs, they're not just money, though hiring editors or say voice artists can definitely add up.
Sure.
It's also that immense investment of time and energy. And the source material highlighted a really key point. When that manual effort stops, so does your potential income.
Right, because you can't keep it up 24/7.
Exactly. There are only so many hours. Without a team or like superhuman endurance, you just hit your limit.
And the frustrations that come with that are so relatable. You pour everything into content you think is amazing, only for it to get, 10 views? 50 views? Your follower count is just stuck. Meanwhile, you see other accounts just exploding seemingly overnight.
Yeah, it makes you wonder, what's their secret?
Totally. And yours is just gathering digital dust. It's frustrating.
It really is.
So this is where the new way comes in. And it's built around what ViralReelAI calls faceless automation with AI.
Okay.
The core idea is enabling you to build profitable, faceless Instagram and TikTok channels without ever needing to show your face.
Which is huge for a lot of people.
Absolutely. That camera shy factor, it's a massive barrier. So this approach seems to directly tackle that, offering a different way to engage online.
It's interesting to see how the AI reportedly takes over the whole process.
Yeah, tell me about that.
Well, the tool claims to handle basically everything.
Yeah.
Script generation, turning scripts into videos, adding voiceovers, visuals, music.
The whole package.
Apparently. And here's the really hands-off part.
Yeah.
It auto-publishes to Instagram, other platforms too, all without manual intervention, no camera time needed.
Wow.
The source material uses some pretty compelling analogies for this.
Like what?
Like it's like having an Instagram manager working for you 24/7.
Okay, that paints a picture.
Or even 100 video creators working for you without paying any salaries, which really highlights the scale of automation they're aiming for.
Those analogies definitely make it sound incredibly efficient. Okay, let's get into the specifics. The nuts and bolts of this content creation engine.
Sure.
It's promoted for its simplicity. They break it down into just 3 easy steps to create and share your story. Enter a keyword, customize and create, then auto schedule and publish. Sounds almost too easy.
Well, yeah, it sounds straightforward. But the key takeaway seems to be the depth of AI integration within those steps. So it offers AI-powered, faceless Instagram video creation, supposedly with just a few clicks. But it goes further. It generates a whole range of content types, all geared for virality, apparently.
Like what kind of content?
Story videos, memes, quote posts, AI-generated reels, even multi-image carousels for Instagram posts. It's a variety.
Okay.
And what seems really significant is the automation of tasks that usually take ages. It claims to instantly generate AI-powered captions, narration, and voiceovers.
The voiceovers part is interesting. How good are they?
Well, they mentioned integrating with 11 Labs.
Ah, okay. That's a big name in AI voice, known for very realistic, human-like tones.
Exactly. That's critical, right? Robotic audio is an instant turnoff. This integration means your faceless content could actually retain that human-like quality which you need for connection.
Makes sense. What else?
You can even add AI avatars that lip sync for a more polished look. Plus, script-to-video automation, taking a written script and turning it into a full video with visuals, effects.
And can you do lots at once?
Yep, it supports batch video creation, one video or dozens. And they provide pre-designed color themes, templates, trying to make it look professional instantly.
What about formats, like for different platforms?
It's a good question. It mentions auto conversion to multiple aspect ratios. 16.9 for YouTube, 9.16 for stories, 1.1 for Instagram posts, covers the main bases.
And quality.
Exportable in HD and even 4K, according to the materials.
Okay, those content features sound pretty robust, but we both know even the most brilliant content can just sit there if nobody sees it.
True. Visibility is key.
That's the classic problem, right? You create a masterpiece, still get 0 followers. Creating is only half the battle. Visibility is the other equally critical half. So how does ViralReelAI claim to tackle that?
Right. This is where their AI follower generation engine comes in. It's designed to be the game changer for visibility.
Okay, how does it work?
So while you're maybe tweaking content settings, this AI is supposed to be working behind the scenes. First, it identifies your ideal audience, finds users likely to follow accounts like yours.
Targeting. Exactly.
Then it actively amplifies your reach, strategically boosting your content's visibility to those people. And crucially, it claims to engage authentically with potential followers, naturally, not spammy.
That authentic part is important.
Very. The overall goal is to accelerate growth, turn your account into what they call a follower magnet.
Okay, so what actions does it actually take, like specifically?
Well, it uses AI to optimize your posts, captions, hashtags for max visibility. It does AI-powered Q&A outreach.
Q&A outreach, what does that mean?
So instead of just blasting generic messages, the AI supposedly generates contextually relevant questions or responses. The idea is to make interactions feel more organic, less like cold spam, building community.
Got it. More than just DMs.
Seems like it. It also generates Pinterest graphics and pins to drive traffic, converts video content into downloadable PDF guides, syndicates them to SlideShare.
Okay, so repurposing content across platforms.
Yeah, broadening exposure. And it even gets into link building, strategically building backlinks to your content via automated outreach. And it converts Instagram content into Google Web Stories.
Google Web Stories.
Yeah, those full screen tappable visual things designed for mobile. They can show up in Google search and discover. So another potential traffic channel.
Interesting.
The promise basically is instead of just hoping people stumble on your stuff, the AI actively puts your videos in front of audiences who are actually looking for that kind of content, ready to follow.
Okay, so you've got AI creating the content, AI finding the audience. What does this all mean for actually making money, monetization? Because views are nice, but income is usually the goal, right?
Absolutely. It's the bottom line for many. And the source material provides some pretty compelling examples here, case studies, essentially.
Let's hear them.
Okay, so there's Jessica R., described as a faceless creator, reportedly generated 13,000 Instagram followers in just 2 months.
Wow, 2 months.
Yeah, and earned $4K monthly from selling digital products.
Okay, that's significant.
Then there's Mike L., another faceless creator. He apparently tripled his Instagram followers in 90 days. And get this, one video made $1,200 in sales and leads alone.
From one video.
That's the claim. And they even mention, sort of broadly, another faceless Instagram account made $300 using the same type of videos. Those numbers definitely grab your attention.
They certainly do. But what makes someone actually achieve that? Is it just the tool? Or are there other factors? Like, why would Jessica R. succeed where maybe someone else using the same tool wouldn't get the same results?
That's a really important question, because the tool automates creation and visibility, sure. But the source implies that, fundamental business sense still matters.
Like what?
Like identifying a genuinely profitable niche, creating content that consistently provides real value to that specific audience, and understanding how to structure your overt offers digital products, services, affiliate links, whatever.
So the tool removes the hurdles, but you still need a solid strategy.
Exactly. It seems to free you up from the technical stuff and the visibility grind, allowing you to focus more on that core strategy and value delivery. That's probably where the real monetization difference lies.
Makes sense.
And the platform emphasizes it works across niches. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, they say, suggesting it can be used to sell services, consulting, products, sponsorships, affiliate commissions.
Pretty broad.
Yeah, they list examples like digital marketers, SaaS experts, web developers, entrepreneurs building email lists. One example cited building a list of 53,000 from a single reel.
53,000 emails from one reel. That's huge.
It is. Plus, there's a commercial license upgrade mentioned. This gives you rights to sell the AI videos and automation services to clients. So you could build a passive income stream or even launch your own video content agency using the tool.
Okay, so multiple potential income streams there. Now, this all sounds incredibly powerful, but here's where I think a lot of people might pause. What if I have zero experience? What if I really, really hate being on camera? That fear is real for so many potential creators.
It's a very common concern, absolutely. But the platform directly addresses this. They state, ViralReelAI is designed for complete beginners.
Okay.
It's pitched as handling everything, script to publishing. No prior tech skills, no complex editing software needed. That's the claim.
And the whole no face thing.
They really lean into that. The AI provides realistic voiceovers, multiple languages, accents, plus those AI avatars that lip sync. So you can remain completely anonymous but still build a presence.
Right. Keeps you behind the scenes.
Totally. And they emphasize speed too, claiming you can create viral-ready videos in under 2 minutes.
Under 2 minutes. That's fast.
Seems very fast. Plus, they mention comprehensive training has included video guides, PDFs to walk users through it.
Okay. So if we boil it down, the core value proposition here seems to be empowering you to generate this faceless content automatically, grow your audience rapidly with that specialized AI follower engine, and monetize effectively, all without needing to be on camera, having amazing editing skills, or hiring a big team. It's positioned as this all-in-one AI solution for building an online presence at scale.
Exactly. It bundles content creation and audience growth together, powered by AI.
So connecting this to the bigger picture, it really makes you think, doesn't it, about the accelerating impact of AI on content creation, on entrepreneurship in general.
Definitely.
If the difference between the really successful creators and everyone else isn't just talent or luck anymore, but increasingly the sophisticated tools they're using, what does that mean for everyone else?
Right. What does that mean for your approach, listener, to building an online presence in this digital landscape that's evolving so fast? It makes you consider, how might these automated systems fundamentally change the competitive game for online business and content creation for you personally?
It's a provocative thought. How much is the playing field shifting and how do you adapt? Something definitely worth mulling over.